In this video, let's look at 8 surprising things about your garden you wouldn't have known. Before we move on to the list of surprises, kindly consider subscribing this channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, as this would be of great motivation to me. 1. A sunflower is not just one flower. Both the fuzzy brown center and the classic yellow petals are actually 1,000 to 2,000 individual flowers, held together on a single stalk. 2. There are more microorganisms in 1 teaspoon of soil than there are people on Earth. It's alive. Okay, in all seriousness, that fact might make you itchy. But microbes are important for keeping your soil full of nutrients. 3. A little baking soda can help you grow sweeter tomatoes. A regular sprinkling of this kitchen staple into your plant's soil can help reduce acidity, which sweetens up your crop. 4. Some of your favorite fruits are actually in the rose family. Apples, pears, peaches, cherries, raspberries, strawberries, and more are Rosaceae, making them cousins to the long-stemmed Valentine's Day variety. 5. You can change a hydrangea's color by altering the pH level of the soil. A more alkaline soil will result in pinker blooms, while more acidity will produce blue blooms. To coax your plant to the blue side, add more organic matter to your soil, like eggshells and coffee grounds, though the acidity in used coffee grounds can vary greatly. So you might try a high-acid fertilizer. 2. The change won't happen overnight, but eventually you should succeed in manipulating your soil's pH level. 6. You don't need to be a dedicated composter to reap similar benefits. Call it cheating, but applying used coffee grounds, eggshells, chopped up banana peels, and other organic matter directly to your soil, no composting required, can offer plants nutrients as they decompose. For already growing beds, scatter and bury the items within the first few inches of soil. 7. Butterflies might be more attracted to your weeds than your flowers. Colorful blooms aren't the chief reason these insects love your garden. It's more about the fragrance and nectar. According to the Smithsonian Institute, like dandelions and clovers, might actually be the most appealing things in your yard to butterflies. They hate pesticides. 8. Plants really do respond to sound. Talking to plants to help them grow is a well-known old wives' tale. But studies have shown vibration, like music, or perhaps even the sweet sound of your voice, can affect plant growth. Plus, the Mythbusters, in an admittedly not-so-scientific study, compared a silent greenhouse to one where they piped in a voice soundtrack, and found that plants in the latter grew more